Rĩrĩ thĩ yothe irakinyanĩria mũthenya wa kansa tarĩki 4 mweri wa 2 nĩtũcemanĩtie na arwaru amwe arĩa makoretwo na mũrimũ ũyũ na gũtarĩria thabarĩ ya kwambĩrĩria na gũikara na mũrimũ wa kansa. Kũrĩ aingĩ kwambĩrĩria ũrigiti nĩkĩo gĩkoragwo kĩrĩ kĩhĩngĩca kĩnene, kuona mbere yao gũkoragwo na andũ aingĩ metereire kũrigitwo, angĩ magĩeterera nginyagia mwaka mbere ya marigitĩtwo, ũndũ ũrĩa ũrahũra mbica ya ũnyihu wa macini cia kũrigita mũrimũ wa kansa gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Kwa sababu Nairobi kama huna mtu ni utafute mahali ya kulala kwanza. Kisha pia pesa inakuwa mingi. Ukisema hata utaenda Kenyatta, wale watu wakukule ni wengi, kitambo ufikiwe wewe kwanza. Inakuwa pia too late.
Nilipokuja hapa nilituma kwa ultrasound, akapimwa, hakupatikana na kitu. Nikarudishwa tena kwa CT scan. Alipofanyiwa CT scan, ilipatikana kwamba ako na ugonjwa wa kansa ambao ni nephroblastoma. Nephroblastoma ni kansa ya tumbo ambayo huwa ina affect figo. Sasa nilipoambiwa hivyo,
mbeca cia kũrigita mũrimũ wa kansa itumaga famĩlĩ nyingĩ ciage mwĩhoko. Amwe arwaru a mũrimũ ũcio no nginya makanyua dawa mahinda kwa mahinda, na angĩ magabatara gwĩkwo chemotherapy ĩrĩa hũthagĩra makiri ma mbeca.
So I don't know serikali kama inapanga kutusaidia aje, lakini kama hauna pesa hii ugonjwa itakuua. Kama hauna pesa ugonjwa itakuua.
Hapa ndio nilipofanywa chemotherapy cycle 6. Kila wiki mtoto huwa anapewa dawa kila wiki kwa wiki 6. Na ukiwa unapewa dawa kwa wiki 6 unakaa hospitali. Ilikuwa ni gharama ghali, juu lazima ununulie mtoto matunda, ununulie maziwa. Yaani mtoto akipatwa na huo ugonjwa anakuwa flat.
Ũndũ wa kĩeha nĩ atĩ arwaru a mũrimũ wa kansa marathiĩ makĩongererekaga o hĩndĩ. Ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ ĩkiuga mwaka mũthiru andũ 7,500 nĩ mandĩkithirio kũrwara kansa, na aingĩ ao mamenyaga nĩ arwaru marĩ stage ya 3 na ya 4.
I have seen in my ministry, it shows that of 7,502 cases that were registered from 42 facilities across the country between July 2021 and June 2022, with most of them being stage 3 and 4.
Akihingũra thibitarĩ mwerũ wa gũthima na kũrigita mũrimũ wa kansa kaunti-inĩ ya Garissa, Minister Susan Nakumincha oigĩte kansa ya nyondo nĩyo ĩtongoretie harĩ arwaru arĩa maroneka na mũrimũ ũyũ, na harĩ atumia othe arĩa maoneka marĩ arwaru nuthu yao nĩ kansa ya njĩra ya ũciari.
The most prevalent cancers continue to be breast cancer at 15.9%, cervical cancer at 13.3%, and esophageal at 11.8%. Prostate cancer accounts for a quarter of all cases among our men, with breast and cervical cancer accounting for more than half of the cases among our women. Close to 3/4 of all cases among our women, these are cervical cancer. Here in Garissa, we mostly see cancers of the head and neck, and I am concerned that they presenting very late to our facilities. I know that we can change this experience.
Kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi, thirikari ya Nairobi nĩ ririkanĩte mũthenya ũyũ na njĩra ya kũrehe macini cia gũthima kansa, mũingĩ ũkĩyumĩria na njĩra nene. Aingĩ arĩa meyumĩrĩtie mũthenya ũyũ marauga bũrũri ũrĩ o makinya maingĩ thutha harĩ kũng'ethanĩra na mũrimũ ũyũ.
What we have done as a county, our governor, His Excellency Johnson Sakaja, he appointed a task force which was chaired by Dr. Gitai Gethinji, the Group CEO of AMREF, to look into aspects or to look into the health system in the county and make recommendations for reform.
I will really urge the government to do like a walk day to tell everyone, maybe the survivors should wear t-shirts, walk on the street, tell them that they survived. And early screening and detection is really important.
So we are looking at, moving forward, having, better mechanisms for financing, having more involvement, especially for primary health care, so that we have more of our community health workers, more of our workers at the health centers and dispensaries, taking initiative in terms of in terms of improving the cancer situation in the country.
Muigi nduri urataukwo ni bata wa kwiyumiria na guthimwo tene na ona mashini cia guthima na kurigita murimu uyu itire thibitari-ini nyingi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kimani.